Low-key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG.
Hey guys, welcome once again to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lydiaa, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome once again, and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Just spend a day with me today. Yeah, it's my actual birthday, so spend a day with me today as we see how this day is gonna unfold it.
Coming closer, it's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm broken, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm lonely, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my home. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. Dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look together. Come here, cause it's time. Hold you for me.
Wait, see, these people surprised me. Guys, it was my birthday and I was not planning anything, so my family decided to surprise me with a birthday party. Woo! Have a look, guys. Lydiaa.
Look at you.
Happy birthday! Yo, Lydiaa, makeup.
Yes.
Okay, is the length, I'm gonna go to 2. Actually, use this one.
Yeah, that one is better. Hey, so guys, I'm still unboxing my birthday gifts. So someone just came from here and she dropped this slide, so let's open. So let's see. Oh, Kai, hey, Aki unanijua vizuri. You really know me. Hey, oh, my smoothies. Niko na kunywea smoothie kwa kikombe ya what? Ile ya the blender thing. Yes. But oh, this is really cute. Thank you. Oh. So guys, my phone has been misbehaving. Every time you go for a shoot, I will go everywhere with my charger. I will do everything with my charger because my phone will just go off. And look what my sister got me for my birthday. So this was really and honestly thoughtful. It's a power bank. Because mimi kila wakati natembeanga na charger. Wengine unatembeanga na power bank, mimi natembea na charger. See now? Wow, and I love the color. Hey, golds. So, niki upgrade to iPhone, Samsung, tukishuka chini, zile zingine, yeah. So I can still use it when I'll upgrade my phone, because I'm planning to do that soon. Thank you. And she also got me this face mask. She knows me too well. So yeah, and the nail polish. My toes are always white. She got me a white nail polish from Miniso. See? So yeah, this was truthful. Yeah, now I have 2 sisters. I have so many sisters, yeah. And now my cup. Okay, I got so many other stuff, but tuta. And if you know me, you know I love smelling good. So another baby. I'm adding this to my collection. So yeah, this is it. I'm waiting for more gifts. So I got another birthday gifts. I have a weakness for cups. Kwanza for big cups, the mugs. I love them. So yeah.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm around you, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my own. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. Girl, I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time that we're together. I'm here 'cause I love you. Hold you for life.
Over and over again, yeah, my love is burning, babe. Feels like time is frozen, night is forever. We were alone again, every moment's stolen, yeah. Feelings I've been holding, it must be love.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Hold you for life. So tight, coming closer.
I didn't fit it, but I rock it like a baby in the car. I put put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from.